So as I've said many times before, one of the things I love about living in Portland is there are tons of great places to hike and explore, and you don't even have to drive very far to go visit any of them. So right now we are at Mount Tabor Park, I guess it is. It's a set of trails on a mountain that's literally right across the street from our house. So we could, it's just a really short drive or even a really short walk to get over here. But there's a ton of trails. You could spend a decent amount of time up here, and it's actually really good spot to just get some quick photos and do a little bit of exercise. So we're gonna wander around a little bit, and I'm gonna shoot some video and share it with you guys all here. So super cool little hike that's just right across the street from our house. We're headed back down. Didn't walk the whole thing because we actually didn't plan on doing a full-blown hike. We just drove up, or we just came over here to scope it out a little bit since it hasn't rained in the last couple days, and we thought maybe the trails would be too muddy. So that's our little quick trip over to Mount Tabor, which is again just right across the street from our house. And now we are gonna head to the grocery store to get our weekly Sunday groceries, and then headed home to Netflix and chill for the rest of the day. So thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys later.